If you need more parting space, then definitely stay tuned. Hey dolls, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I am in collab with Luvme Hair, and I have a special one to show you all. I am super excited about this one. I've been wanting a loose body wave wig for a minute, and I finally got my hands on it. And it's special because this is a 7x6 HD closure wig. So we got plenty and plenty of parting space. So I can't wait to check this one out. So let's get into the details. This unit is so pretty. The waves are absolutely gorgeous and it's so shakeable. And now for the wig cap. This is a breathable cap, so you're able to scratch or do anything you need. Like your head is not going to get hot. And then let's dive into the fact that this parting space, 7x6. This is deeper parting space than you're used to. So you can do a middle part, side parts, zigzag, anything. There's an adjustable band and elastic in the back, so you don't have to worry about your hair moving. And let's get into this hairline. The fact it's pre-plugged, pre-bleached, it looks so good. All right, let's go ahead and try this one. All right, so my band, nice and tight. For this install, I'm not going to do any glue. This is glueless. And I'm not going to pluck anything. Ladies, one thing I'm going to advise you is don't be like me and have old braids all the time. Like, or braid your hair like super chunky. My hair right now, my braids, I got to do better. So they already have a part in it for me, so I'm not going to change that part. I actually really like it. It's a C part, and I love C parts. I'm a side part girl, by the way. I love a side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I always cut it in sections most of the time if I have longer lace. But if my lace is short, I don't worry about it because it doesn't take much time. I'm not going to be having any baby hairs for this install, but just in case in the future you wanted to do baby hairs, just be careful when you're cutting your lace. And I'm just using these small little scissors that I love for eyebrows because they get in those really tight spaces right through here. And see how I'm able to cut it and it looks more seamless? Stop it. This looks so good. Unless I'm doing just a beginner friendly install, I always have to go in with tint on most other units from different places because baby, they're not doing this. Okay, they're not doing this. So I'm super happy. Now I'm gonna play around with some of these waves. You see I have a little humpiness right through here, so I'm going in with my pomade. So I have some pomade by Edge Booster. Don't use too much, just a tad bit, because you don't want to make the hair super greasy. And I just put it all over this crown area because it'll also help with flyaways. I see just a couple of flyaways. And I wanted to show you, look at this. My hair is not moving. This always be the worst. Right when you think that your hot comb has been warming up and it wasn't even on. We're gonna wait a couple of minutes and get to this. In the meantime, one thing that I actually love about Luvme as a brand is that they give you such a variety of units to choose from. I love being able to switch it up because it's everything, right? Because I get bored. I was wearing blonde for a while, and I was like, it's time for the blonde to go. And make sure to let me know what you feel about this hair in the comments. I'm actually going to add a little bit more pomade up towards the front too. It just gives you that silk pressed look, and that's what I am going for. If you are interested in this hair, please check the description box below for the details and the link. And sometimes if you're changing a part, make sure you apply just a little bit of water. I actually could apply just a little bit of water up through here just because I wanted to flatten it down. And I have waves up at the top. See some of these fly waves right here? So I'm going to use some of my Go Glueless. Okay, and Go Glueless is just a foam that you can use to either lay some hairs down, maybe make some baby hairs if you're interested. And sometimes it's tacky enough even if you wanted just some extra hold. It's a light hold. So I used my Fit Me powder to cover up where my wig cap stops. Sometimes I scoot it back, like you see I scooted more on my forehead, give myself a smaller forehead. But I just used my Fit Me powder right there in the part. And if I wanted to just all the way blend in that, just because I love using a little powder, you don't have to use powder if you do not want to. Feel free to use your product of choice. You don't add a lot. I just sometimes go in and add a little bit. But it already looks good without it. So I don't add much. But as you can see now, what wig cap? There's no wig cap. It's gone. Disappeared. I'm going to go in with my flat iron and curl a couple of pieces, just to make them a little bit more tighter. Okay, so here we are with the finished look. I am obsessed. I love how much volume my hair has. It's super pretty. This is 20 inches. So you see it still has a lot of length. With the curled, it's up to here. But it's so pretty. I always love to wear maybe one side behind and the other side out in front. Typically the side where the bang falls will go in front for me. Even if you wore it all to one side and wanted to do like a cute little pinup, you can. So many ways to wear your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a full view. So here's the side. If you made it to the end of this video, you are truly amazing, okay? But thank you so much for watching, and please give me your thoughts about this hair. I want to know your opinions. Leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.